Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable boss fight in snake.io. In snake.io, there is a special boss snake event mode where a large boss appears during certain live events, and it is designed to challenge top players. In order to disable the boss fight, first of all, launch open the snake.io game on your device and make sure that you're inside this main homepage. After you are in, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. Now once you're inside this page, click on Gameplay. Under Gameplay, tap on Off under Boss Fight. After you select Off, you will then be able to turn off the boss fight level in snake.io. So right after that, you will be able to turn off the boss fight level on snake.io. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.